welcome to my move-in vlog. I picked the hottest day ever to move into school. Oh, why did I do this? This is my last time ever packing up my car and moving to Bloomington. And that terrifies me. It keeps me up at night. I'm so sad about that. Usually my family goes with me, but we did a little trip since we had to move everything from my old apartment to my new apartment, like my bed and furniture and stuff, like in the middle of the summer. So now all I have left is like my clothes and food and shoes and everything you can imagine, because as you could tell, my car is filled to the brim. Like, I don't know why I have so much stuff, where I accumulated all of this, but here we are. Anyways, I just did the tour day, friends. I went to the pool I worked this summer and said bye to my manager slash bestie, Allie. And then I dropped off some tea to Maddie and Mackenzie at their work. And now it's time to actually leave home. It is 12 o'clock, so now we're actually getting on the road, getting down to business, okay? Forgot to go to the bathroom before I left, so we might have to make a pit stop. So I was right, I needed to stop and pee. That was like the nastiest bathroom ever. Ugh. But I've just been jamming out to music. I'm probably gonna put on a podcast now. This is about the time where I get tired of like singing and I just want to like listen to Sarah's Day and her husband Kurt talk on the Health Code podcast. So I'm gonna put that on. I have an hour and 42 minutes left.
Starting route to proceed to South Garofalo Boulevard, then turn left.
That just exposed my whole address, so we're gonna cut that out. But we're ready to get back on the road. I just want to be there and start decorating, so I'll see you there. Hey besties, I'm back and I'm in Bloomington. Can I get a... I'm starving. My stomach was growling the entire ride. So obviously I got some spicy potato tacos from Taco Bell to hold me over until I'm like done unpacking. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm here. Oh my god. When I tell you I was literally sweating after getting this up like 2 flights of stairs into my room in 90-degree weather, I was sweating. I was just happy that everything was out of my car and in my room so I could get unpacking. Alright, so my first line of business was getting this box of random clothes and everything out of my closet so I could start putting my shoes and everything in my closet and getting that out of the way. Also, here's a life hack. I put a trash bag around my clothes while they were in my closet at home, and then I tied it. And then all you have to do is put it on the hanger and it comes off. So I got this like tan square cube container thing from Target for like $5 for this green shelf that I painted, and it just adds some extra storage. I didn't realize how disgustingly dirty this dresser in my desk got at my last house, so I got some paint and just started like painting away on it to make it look not disgusting. So enjoy me painting like a crazy woman. Okay, I'm here with an update for my room. I painted my dresser. I painted my desk. I was just zooming painting because I wanted that done. But they look way better. This is my pile to like put downstairs. We already put some more decorations and like cups and everything out of the way downstairs. I got the shelf set up too. And this is my going to Goodwill pile. Oh, also I put like sweatpants and leggings in here and I'm just gonna push it under my bed. I put my paint supplies under my bed. This is like an empty box. My TV's over there for when the paint dries. I put like everything in the drawers. This is like tank tops and crop tops, t-shirts, going out pants and jeans, and bras. Hi guys, day 2 of unpacking my college room. I ended up going out last night, so I went to bed and kind of just put everything in random boxes so it's just everywhere. So today I'm going to be like unboxing everything and putting stuff in drawers, organizing my desk, and decorating, like actually decorating, putting things on the wall. So hopefully we could finish it up today. I thought of the perfect place to put up one of my pictures that I got, so you could see me do that. Oh my god, you're so welcome. I know you were dying to see it. Don't mind me, I'm still in my pajamas, but that's college, baby. This is the picture that was in my last video of what I bought for college. I got it at Goodwill because it matched my comforter and it's perfect. I'm obsessed. It looks so good. Oh my god. Okay, now I'm just going through all these random boxes of stuff I have and putting them in the correct drawers so I could be an organized queen. I'm also queen of piles, so like to help I'm just making piles of like nail stuff, art supplies, makeup, so then I can organize it. Okay. Okay, this is a box full of like the absolute randomest things you could find ever in the universe. Like full of the tiniest things. So I'm gonna go through this and sort it out and see what I could throw away. Oh, okay, found my LED light. Why do I keep empty containers? I'm like, in my head, I'm like, one day I'm gonna make my own lotion and put it in these containers and I'm gonna need them. Like, excuse me, when am I gonna do that? Why do I have just empty skincare containers? Am I a hoarder? Like, someone let me know. Alright, so the box is pretty much empty. I don't know what I'm doing with that, but whatever. This is all the decorations I have to put up for my room. This is garbage. Those are straight up just command strips. Lights I'm about to put up, and this all goes downstairs, as well as my dirty dishes from 3 a.m. last night that we're not going to talk about, but we're talking about. It's desk decorating time. Yay! Yeah, I've just been doing my makeup out of this bag, so I'm gonna put it in my like actual makeup containers, but what we're gonna do is decorate, and you're gonna watch. Grab some popcorn. So this is the before. These are my ride or die makeup containers. I'm kind of like actually obsessed with this desk setup though. Alright, next line of business. I think I'm gonna try to put these curtains up on that window and see how it looks. I have a curtain rod, so I'm just gonna put some command strips on each side. So come watch me literally struggle. We already have the most staple part of the dresser down. The Himalayan salt lamp. Next up is this little tiny itty bitty teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini TV. That looks better there. Okay. And then we'll put this right there maybe. Okay, cute. That right there. Cute. Picture of me and my mom. Cute. Cute. Next up, Lava Lamp City, you know the vibe. Okay, that's like kind of a vibe, low key. So the girl that was here before left all these command hooks up there, which I'm like, thank you, queen, because all I have to do is hang these up and then I'm done. So that's what we're gonna do. Hi besties, I'm on to the home improvement side of this video. I got this shoe rack from Target. It's like there's 4 different tiers on it. If you saw my last video, you would have seen it in the haul. But yeah, we're gonna put this together today so I have some place to put my shoes and we'll see how this goes. If I need like tools for this, we're donezo. No shoe rack for me. Okay, I think this is gonna be pretty easy. Dude, I'm such a freaking boss babe, girl boss. Oh my god, yay! That was not bad at all. Literally go to Target and get this right this instant. Okay, now time to put the shoes on it. Hi friends, it's a few days later and I'm pretty much settled in. I'll give a quick little overview of the room, but I'll mostly go into depth on my full college room tour. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and also that you have a good school year. I'll see you in my next video.